Blog Builder and how to connect your domain. Alright, so when you first open up Blog Builder, you're going to come to your general configurations, and the first thing we're going to do is come over here and go directly to where it says URL and connect domain. Alright, you're going to note this box here. Now what you're going to do is put the domain that you've already purchased in this URL. Just click on connect and then everything's going to work for you. But before we do that, we have to go to where our domain is hosted and change the name server. So mine is hosted in GoDaddy.com. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to go to my DNS settings. I'm going to go to my name servers. I'm going to change my name servers to ns1.blog.eb4us.com and ns2.blog.eb4us.com. Right now, once I've changed my name servers and I've set those in, I'm going to come back into my blog. I'm going to put in my URL and I'm going to press connect domain. Alright, now once I press this button, it's going to give us maybe a few seconds to a few minutes depending on your connectivity, and then that's it. Okay, I'll talk to you next tutorial.